Just have a seat and she's making Poncha for you.
I'm so excited. This is weird.
Nice.
We are finally in the house.
How about it?
I don't know why it's calling itself a guest house, but it's good.
It's nice. Hey, how are we doing there?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Wow.
Ah,
Wow.
nice. I'm sure you get a lot of wows here. Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is good.
Awesome.
Wow, we just sit there, have a view. Wow.
Yeah, you see the second highest cup of the world and the highest cup of Europe. It's Cabo Gira.
Really?
On this side, you see it like this. On the other side, there is a skywalk you can go up.
Oh, the highest cliff in Europe.
Wow.
We got to do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is the sunset pretty good if you just go around the corner? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And is this, can you see sunrise from here or no?
No, tomorrow morning you see the sunrise, but not the sunset.
Ah,
Oh,
that's okay.
sunset that also, yeah.
Oh.
We
Looks
get
like
one.
we're waking up
That's
early.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Well, thank
is
you.
fantastic.
To have a dinner.
Oh, sweet.
Oh my god, it's
Dang.
an infinity pool.
That's very nice.
You be on the pool and you can see the beach.
How long have you had this place? How long have you owned it?
It's built since 7 years.
Oh, 7 years. It
Wow.
looks brand new.
Wow.
Are you retired? Is this your retirement?
I think I never will retire because you have something to do. Otherwise, the
Yeah.
bones rust, the head rust. It's not.
Oh,
very
you're
good.
right. You're
Yeah.
right. Okay. You always got to keep active.
Yeah,
Ah, I see. Secret to
and
life.
also it's not working or something. It's something to do
Yeah.
with the heart, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
I enjoy to speak to different
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
And before I traveled a lot.
Okay.
And now I'm sitting here and waiting the World Cups to me.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
That's good.
Aw.
So
This is
have a
fantastic.
great day.
Thank
See
you.
Thank you
tomorrow.
so much.
Thank you very
All
much.
right, thank you. This is
Wow.
fantastic. Look
Wow.
at that view. I am even like kind of little scared of like taking a picture down there. I don't know. I hope it's not too deep so that I can go there and take a picture.
It's not too deep.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Also, how did you book this? This is so
Magic.
good.
That's
This
nice.
is what we do. Tyler books things. It never shows me, and I also usually don't want to look because I want to trust him, and I also want like to really be surprised. And I'm not like faking anything. Like I never see these things. I never look where we are going. I just know he got it. So I am very surprised. Like this is
Try
amazing.
tomorrow. Oh.
I'm so excited. Thank you, baby. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. So Tyler did the fantastic thing of booking multiple places so we can have different experiences. So this is our second stay in Madeira, Portugal. Come on in, you see. Very beautiful. Look at that, guys. Here is like a TV rack. They have I'll show you what's like there's a TV rack here, which like this is like a living space. I think here they meant to put a couch and to sit up, but they put that usually because couch is very hard to clean. I love this so much. Like these are things I would have in my house. They're so pretty. I love these things. It's just so pretty. And they have both that side and that side. And then also like this bed. Just look how they've like so soft, everything's so clean. I like with some little detail over there. And then look at the mirror. Finally we found our mirror. We found our mirror. And then wow, This is nice. This is the TV area. So I was so excited about our previous place that I did not even realize we did not have TV. Anyway, we didn't really need it, but ta-da, we have a big TV here. And then, fantastic thing, you guys will see the view in the morning. But here you can open and you can sit out there. And I swear to God, if you guys see the view tomorrow morning, you will not believe it. And they said we can see sunrise over here, so I'm super excited about that. So that, oh, we need to show the view even right now. Let's show the houses the way they look. Come on. Welcome to the island, baby. Guys, look at that. This is the view at night, then we will show you tomorrow. Madeira, Portugal. I've never heard of this place. I just can't believe people never speak about this. But look at that, so pretty. And here you can sit over here. I don't have flash on, but ta-da. So that's the tour, guys, of our stay number 2. And I love it, as you can tell. So let's unwind, and then we try get food. We try do the night stuff that we always do, and also probably we'll insert our sunsets. It's like our culture now to watch sunset every time, so we'll insert it probably here. Yeah, so let's get to the video.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding.
Run, Forrest, run! It's our first sunset. It's our first sunset. Come on. It's golden hour and you look golden, my dear.
I do?
Don't get ran
Thank
over.
you, baby.
Don't
Thank
get
you,
ran
baby.
over.
Thank you.
Come over here. Come here. People drive like crazy here.
Yeah.
It's a race. It's a race. Go. Go.
That's nice.
We finally made it and the clouds aren't cloudy. It'll be perfect. Just look at it. Just look at it. Man. That'd be a house to have.
Forgot
to make aggressive for the skins, you see? To be a little bit aggressive.
Okay.
Not with the taste, but to smash better with this sugar, you know?
All right. Now we.
You know what? Why is less stick, you know?
Regional, it wasn't with orange. They put orange after.
Por isso que existe a pescador, que é só o mel, e existe a regional, que é não é.
This was what fishermen used when they went to sea to get warm.
Okay.
No, you should eat first.
Yeah, probably.
That's so interesting.
We are impressed.
No, lemon.
Ah, okay. Oh, the lemon juice.
This is like a medicine.
No, this is lemon.
You see, if you start getting cold, you see, my time now is for my chocolate
All right.
from
so-
Guinea. No,
What?
that's the rum, you know.
Ah, is this
Looks like champagne.
Portuguese rum?
Yes, Madeira rum.
Ah,
And maybe 50%. I think it's 50%.
Yeah, it's 50%.
Yes.
Yes, it's 15%.
This is mature drink.
is it good? Is it good rum? Really good?
No.
Ah, ice.
Okay.
We're learning all the steps.
Yeah.
No.
We're impressed.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna use this.
Okay.
You know why?
No problem.
Because that takes too long. This is
Ah.
faster.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But normal is with. No, the boss.
No,
is-
you don't.
Now the boss is speaking. You're with the hand job, you know. But he said I was young and I did so many times. I'm in love. Again.
Wanna try it? Wanna try it?
You want to try it?
Oh yeah.
Try a
I
little
can
bit?
try.
Go for it.
Yes, but I may shop simplemente mais. You have a seat and she's making Poncha for you.
Yeah, it's nice. Do you want to try? Go.
Yes. Bravo.
On the top.
You can buy a bar in Madeira.
No, on the top of the.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just.
Yeah, that would take a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just use a blender. Yeah.
Yeah, it's faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome.
They love this food. It's Ricardo. Ricardo. I just love how they serve it. It's like. Okay. Try it.
Really
Are you
good.
enjoying?
Yeah.
Very good. Try it.
I like the lemon. Very good. It tastes like almost like lemonade, but with rum.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Very
It's good.
Yeah. Okay.
You want coffee with milk?
Tea. Do you have tea?
Yes.
Yeah, tea with milk and stuff.
Green tea, black tea, white. What you want?
Yeah. I'll do the verbena.
Verbena.
Yeah.
Verbena voor
Verbena mint. Yeah. Yeah.
How are you enjoying your swim, baby?
Very good.
Very good. And where? And how warm is the water?
It's really warm.
Really warm.
You're chilly?
I will soon enough. Ooh,
Yeah, it's good.
it's not too bad.
But I'm saying we need to go to the beach.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
But we can't get a view this good.
I know. I love this view. Like I can stay there. Like we should have come. Right now, what time is it? 4 p.m.
Yeah. We should have came earlier.
We were just in the room. Like really. I'm actually one of the first time to come out. So. Okay, guys, are you ready for the view?
Drum roll, please. Neighbors are gonna be delighted. All right, here we go. Got this handy dandy shade here. Very nice to block out the sun from this awesome view. Isn't that beautiful? There we go. Come with me. Come with me, my dear. Let's show them. Come on out. Pretty nice. Got a pool down there. We've got beautiful plants everywhere. And we've got
This is not a lot. Oh. Are you taking a picture?
anything for you. Delicioso. Ooh. Let's try it. It's got everything in it. That's really good. That's really good. It has every topping imaginable.